Hello there, guys and girls. Good day to each every one of you. Let's have some late lunch. Oh my gosh, you're seeing the brand. Anyway, come over here. I'm so hungry. As you can see, I have here a omelette and different kinds of dried fishes like danggit, espada. Espada is like a sword. And then anchovies. I also have squids. Come on, be the first one to taste, be the first one to bite. Open your mouth, don't be shy. I have here my ever-loving favorite rice with burned rice, tutong. And I have here also a pineapple juice. Pour it out. Wow, oh my gosh. Day 28 of not eating meat like pork, chicken, beef. Love it. Love it. So hungry. You can do it also, guys and girls. Abstinence. You still have 17 days to go. Bye for now.